Last week, I compared Dailyo and How We Feel to figure out what my ideal mood tracker should be. In this video, I'm going to show you the first version of the app, what already works, and what I want to improve next. Hey guys, I'm Chandler. On this channel, I build small apps around real problems in my life. This is week 2 of building Moodii, my simple mood tracker. Quick recap. In week 1, I realized I do not want Moodii to become a full self-tracking system. If you have not watched week 1, that video explains why I chose this direction after using Dailyo and How We Feel. You can check that out after this video. But the short version is, I just want a simple way to log my mood depending on the situation, then look back at simple visuals so I can understand my pattern better. So the first direction for Moodii had 4 goals. Log quickly, use simple contexts, show clear visuals, keep the data saved locally. That was the direction. The app only needs to complete one basic loop. Log the mood, add a context, save the entry, then show the data back to me in a simple way. If this basic loop feels bad, the rest of the app doesn't matter. The first version of Moodii is built around the 4 goals from week 1. Let's start from number 1. Log quickly. The main screen is a log screen. This is where the app starts. There are 3 moods: up, calm, and low. I chose only 3 because I do not want to overthink every log. If I feel good or energetic, that's up. If I feel okay or steady, that's calm. If I feel heavy or down, that's low. After that, I can add a feeling like tired or add a short note, I'm not feeling very well today if I want more detail. Then I save the entry. The point is to record the moment and move on. Number 2. Simple contexts. Mood alone does not tell the full story. So I added 4 contexts: home, work, social, and wellness. These are broad enough to tell me where the mood is coming from without turning every log into a long form. If I feel low, I want to know if it's mostly connected to work, people, etc. That's the kind of pattern I want Moodii to help me notice. Number 3. Clear visuals. If Moodii only saves entries, then it's just a diary. I want it to show the data back to me in a simple way. So for this first version, I added a trends page. For now, I only want to show 2 important visuals. The first one is mood mix. This shows whether most of my logs are up, calm, or low. This matters because it gives me a quick overall picture of how I've been feeling. The second one is common contexts or context mood. This shows which situations appear most often and which contexts are connected to better or lower moods. This matters because mood alone does not explain enough. If I keep feeling low, I want to know whether it's mostly connected to work or social situations. The goal is not deep analytics, but to help me notice simple patterns from the moods I already logged. Number 4. Locally saved data. Mood data is personal. So for this first version, the entries are all saved locally on the device. There's no account setup and no complicated syncing step. So the first version is not just a logging page, it already has the basic Moodii loop: log quickly, add context, save locally, and simple visuals. That is the first version I can actually start using. Next, I want to figure out what should be added without making the app too heavy. One thing I want to add is a calendar page. This is something I liked from Dailyo. In Dailyo, the calendar makes it easier to go back to a certain date and add an entry if I forgot to log it. I also want to add more visuals later. For example, mood map, weekday patterns, etc. For right now, mood mix and context mood are enough to show the basic idea. Another thing I'm still deciding is filling login. Right now, the main login flow starts with low, but I also want to test another way of login. Instead of choosing the mood first, maybe I can choose from a preset feeling directly. For example, if I tap tired, Moodii already knows that tired belongs under low. So the user has another option to log directly with a feeling. That might make logging easier for people who thinks in feelings instead of mood levels. But again, the main question is the same. Does this make Moodii clearer or does it make Moodii heavier? This is what I need to test next. Now, I want to use Moodii more seriously and look for friction. What feels slow, what feels unclear, what needs to be improved first. When I first started wipe coding, I tried to add as many features as I wanted because I thought more features would make the app look better. But after using the app, I ended up removing a lot of them because they were not as useful as I thought. So for Moodii, I want to be more careful. I want to build the smallest useful version first, use it properly, then improve the parts that actually feel wrong. If you want to follow the Moodii build, consider subscribing to the channel and tell me in the comments if you were using a mood tracker and what would make you keep using it. I will use that feedback while improving Moodii in the next video. Peace.